And if you love your family, if you love the people around you, you want to take care of them, and you want to actually be able to give them the lives that they want, because they're more than likely not going to be able to get it themselves. If you're watching this, more than likely you are the only person in your family that has the chance to change. It looks a little crazy on the 1 hour. It may not be fun to watch me, but at the end of the day, I make these videos to inspire you, and that shit is crazy, bro. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Bro, you can't make this up. Remember this morning when I was looking for longs all morning? Morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Today it is, what is today? Tuesday? No, today is Wednesday. It is the 27th. It is 9:20. So we got about 10 minutes till we get the VIP Trading Network all organized and everything. And honestly, we already got 17 people live. I had Kino start the session. He starts it at 9 a.m. I get on the charts around 9:30 a.m. We're about to have a good day. Yesterday we made about $1,100 with one loss, one break even, and one win. We're going to see what we can do today. At the end of the day, Wednesdays can be choppy for the most part. But if there's one thing I want you guys to start this video off is hearing. I don't care how much money you have. I don't care where you are in life. I don't care if you don't have your goals. I don't care if you're just not doing good. Keep going. You got to have a plan. At the end of the day, I was in the same position you were at one point. I've been broke many times. I've probably been broke more times than you have. But that's why I'm going to be in the position to have everything that I want, because I had to go through all the pain, failure, losses to be able to get to this point. And I still have to go through pain, losses, and more failure to get to the point that I want to go to. So with that being said, we're about to hop on the charts. I'll see you guys with the team. It's still early though. We still got a lot of time. It looks a little crazy on the 1 hour, but if this turns to a wick, it's fine. I'm mainly going based off of the 4 hour, expecting price to continue bullish. Ideally, reaching for that previous day's high. Best case, but we about to see. Only time will tell. I'm watching this last idea right here on NAS 100. Watching with this low right here. Ideally, if I can get a stop at this London low from 3 a.m., that'll be valid. But we about to see what's up. Right now it is 10:45 and it was an L day. I took two full losses for minus 500. Ended the day at about minus 1,000. So I lost majority of the profit I made from the one trade yesterday. It is what it is. You can't win every trade. You're not going to win every trade. The only thing you can control is how much you're risking and how much you lose when you do lose. That's all you can control. I can't predict whether my trade is going to play out 100%. All I can do is put my money behind a trade as a likelihood of playing out. But as you guys know, I tell you guys wins and losses because I'm not trying to show you the fake reality of trading. This is what it's like. You got to learn to handle losses and you got to be okay with them because it's part of the game, and that's why handling losses better. But we're about to get the rest of our day started, probably go to the gym, do all these things that need to be done. But we're gonna stay productive nonetheless. Right now, damn man, I just got stuck in traffic. As soon as I hit record, I got stuck in traffic. That's crazy timing. But right now, I'm about to be on my way to the gym. As always, I don't feel like going. It's a gloomy day. It's an ugly day out, as you guys can see. But we gotta stick to the plan. We gotta stay busy. Even though I did take L's today, I don't feel the best. But my man's Jenner. If you're in the VIP Trading Network, you know who Jenner is. But Jenner made me $50. We did this thing with a casino online betting. We deposit $10, we get 1,000 free spins. We got it up to a couple hundred. We try to get more, but at the end of the day, we turned $10 to $50. That's cool. I'll take it. That buys me food for the day. So that's a little small win that kind of helped my mood today. It's a gloomy day. I lost money trading. At least that helped me a little bit. I can go eat some food for a good little price. He was able to turn the $10 into $250. That's not bad for a day. You can do a lot with that. That's more than what some people make. We could have cashed out at 150, but like I said, we kept going. That was the risk taker inside of me. I was looking at it, I'm like, hey, as long as I come out with a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, if I can make $20, $30 on that $10 that I put in, that's more fine with me. I got a 1 to 4. I made $40 on top of the 10, came out with 50. That shit is crazy, bro. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Day or something. I came to the gym. My key's not working. This is crazy. Ain't nobody even in there, bro. Yeah. Probably gonna have to go back to the crib and get the other key to the gym, or I'm just gonna work out in the crib. This rain is looking real workout in the crib like. It's looking like it's gonna be crunches, abs, pull-ups, push-ups, sit-ups. It's gonna be all full body. I'm about to use my dog as a dumbbell because I'm not about to walk back in this rain. I'm gonna be soaked in the gym. It's not worth it. You could work out anywhere. Don't let nobody tell you that you need a gym to be able to work out. You could work out with literally anything. If you have water bottles, like the big water gallons, you could work out with that shit. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You don't need this. It's cool, yeah. It looks like they actually did let us in. I was struggling a little bit, and then the maintenance guy let me in. So hopefully, since it's literally pouring out, you probably can't even see, but it's pouring like a motherfucker. Pouring. I don't know what's going on out there. It was ugly all day. It didn't rain until now. So looks like we're stuck in the gym, but that's a good problem to have. We're about to actually get our regular workout. We're not gonna hit no fucking bullshit ass home workout. Like I said, we're actually gonna hit full body, legs, shoulder, back, all that good stuff. But we about to get right to it. Just do what we gotta do. At the end of the day, this is what success is made of. It's not fun. It's not any of that. It's not glamorous. It's consistently doing the same things that are gonna lead you to success, that are gonna get you to your end goal. It may not be fun to watch me, but at the end of the day, I make these videos to inspire you and to really show you what it's like. This is a daily series, daily vlogs that I'm doing. It's very hard for me to try to make my daily life entertaining when most of it is boring. This is just reality at the end of the day. I don't win trades every day. I do other things such as gamble. Hey, that's life. But I'm about to do this workout nonetheless. Let me stop yapping. Bro, you can't make this up. Remember this morning when I was looking for longs all morning, bro? Look at this. Bro, I was right the whole time. Jesus Christ. That shit went retarded. Even on NAS 100. NAS 100 even had a big pullback from those lows, bro. All the longs I was looking for this morning, it all happened in the PM session. Let me just finish this workout, work this pain out. Now I'm really just ending my day off. Towards the end of the day, I don't really have much to do when it comes to trading, when it comes to just anything that's going to be fun for you guys to watch. As you guys know, the ends of my night tend to be the same. You guys gotta understand the importance of having a routine and having a system that you're constantly doing. Every single day, I'm doing the same exact things at the same time every day, no matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the weekend, it's all the same. Once I get done trading in the morning, I go to the gym. Once I'm done going to the gym, I come home, I create content, I edit videos, I do all those things, I record content, all of those things that are going to allow me to build an audience. Why am I building an audience? Because I want to build myself. I want to build my brand. I want to be able to change lives and give value. I want to be able to teach people how they can also make money trading. I want to teach people how they can also retire yourself. At the end of the day, none of us want to work for anybody else. That's why you're here watching me right now. You're watching my type of videos because I either inspire you to try to chase your dreams, achieve your goals. That's really it. I'm not that entertaining, I don't think. I feel as if I give value to be able to affect you, to be able to change your life, to be able to allow you to do what I'm doing, because if I can do it, you can too. There's nothing different from me versus you. There's literally nothing different. The only difference would be is that I'm actually doing what is required to be successful. You're more than likely not. If you're not successful yet, if you're not happy where you are, then it's your fault. You can't blame nobody else. It all comes down to you. I could be sitting down right now playing the game. I could be sitting down right now doing something productive, but it all comes down to me. The only difference between someone successful and someone that's poor are the actions that they're doing every day, the daily steps that they're taking every day. Because at the end of the day, what you did 5 years ago is going to determine where you are today. What you do today is going to determine where you are in 5 years. So if you're sitting home, not being productive, not getting work done, being lazy, not going to the gym, not working on your business, not starting your business, not doing anything that is going to allow you to become 1% better a day, then you're simply slacking. You're simply doing yourself and your family a disservice. And if you love your family, if you love the people around you, you want to take care of them and you want to actually be able to give them the lives that they want, because they're more than likely not going to be able to get it themselves. If you're watching this, more than likely you are the only person in your family that has the chance to change whether they grow up rich, has the opportunity to be able to change their life, change their generation, change and make their family have generational wealth. That can all start with you, but it all comes down to, are you actually going to put the work in? With that being said, I'm about to get back to my work. I got to edit this video. And also, I made a couple dollars today on the casino. I made about like $60. No, 40. I made almost like $100 with the casino today. So the fact that I took a loss trading, it kind of made up for it because I made a little bit of money doing that. So I can't even be mad at it, to be honest. But with that being said, appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you found it valuable, if you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you are interested in trading, you want to get involved in trading, and you want to just learn what it is, how I make money trading, how I make money online, then check out the free course. It's completely free, and it'll teach you everything you need to know to get started. And once you got everything you need, then once you have your system and strategy all down packed and you're ready to actually get experience and start making money live, make sure you join the VIP Trade Network, where we trade live every single day, as you guys see every single day. Even though I took a loss today, I had people in there that won. Just because I lose doesn't mean they're going to lose. At the end of the day, your trades are you. My trades are me. What you do is entirely up to you. Now, are you going to take advantage of it? That's also up to you. But stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you all in the next video.